So good afternoon, my dear students. This is one of the important essay type question. So basically, when you carefully observe the question paper of the software engineering, this question may be lot of chances to come. So all of you put a maximum focus on this topic or this question. So maybe chance in the examination point of view. First of all, we should know what is a framework. So software engineering is a factor. So what is the role of this software engineering? That is a question. So what is the main concept of this software engineering? We need software engineering for what? That is a question mark. We need the software engineering for what? So in the last classes, by the experience of the last classes, we should know something. The unstructured, unformatted data will be converted into formatted data by using technology is called as software engineering. So basically observe here, one result will be depend on four kind of components. Four kind of components. Number one, user. Number two, software. Number three, hardware. Number four, data. So when we need these four components to develop the project by the user successfully. Nothing but system development, project development, software development will be depend on these four kind of components. Like we need a user. User means you, me, your friend. So those who are made to the project work is taken as a user. We need software. Yes. We need hardware. Yes, we need data. So these four components will be helping to converting this unstructured, unformed data into the formatted data is there. So this kind of action will be depend on a special homework is called framework. That is called framework. అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. So what is the main role of SE is taken by the one factor is called as framework. One frame, one work is possible. Second frame, second work. Third frame, third work. Fourth frame, fourth work. So according to our syllabus, we discuss about SE is a factor will be having lot of frameworks are there. I am taking here that is a simply like this. A framework is a foundation for developing software applications. Is a basic platform how it is possible to develop the software applications. In software engineering, frameworks are tools that help developers build apps. Very careful is there. Apps, websites, and digital systems. Nowadays, apps are very popular to know the particular information about the organization, the particular information about the agency, the particular information about the government. Any kind of factors will be captured the information into small kind of area is called as a app. So we want to create this app. We want this framework is there. We want to create a website. We want this framework is there. So basically, the frameworks can help programmers, developers, and coders conduct tasks more effectively. So without drawback, we have to simply converting the meaningless data into the meaningful is taken by these frameworks. A framework can combine multiple resources such as an image or document file, to create a package unique to a project. Yes, we need a one data, but which data is possible is there? That is called documented data, correspondent data, official data. So which data which having the systematic mannerism automatically the data will be helping to structure the particular project. I am writing here, even after an application is completed, coders can revise the framework of an application to add new features or edit existing components. Efficiency effectively. Efficient meaning ఏంటండి, మనకు ఉన్నటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్కి యూ కెన్ యాడ్ సమ్ మోర్ ఫీచర్స్. ఇంకొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ కనుక యాడ్ చేసి మీరు ఇంకా ఎఫెక్టివ్గా మార్చారనుకోండి, ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈజ్ ద వన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ టు హెల్ప్ ద డేటా ఇంటూ ఎఫెక్టివ్ డేటా. ఒక డేటాని పర్ఫెక్ట్గా మార్చారంటే మనకి కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ని మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఆ యాడ్ చేయడాన్ని ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటారు. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్, ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ అన్ అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్, coders can revise the framework of an application to add new features or edit existing components. Then these are called some kind of benefits of a framework. మీకు ఒక్కొక్కసారి మీకు షార్ట్ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్ అడగొచ్చండి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4లో అడగొచ్చు, అసలు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2లో అడగొచ్చండి. 1 or 2లో వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకు క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి మీకు రావచ్చు, బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ఈ అంటాడు, లేకపోతే ద బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ఈ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అంటాడు, ద బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అంటాడు. ఎలా అయినా మీరు రాయడానికి రెడీగా ఉండాలండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హెల్పింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ మై నాలెడ్జ్. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ సమ్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్, సమ్ బెనిఫిట్స్. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్, saving time and energy to software developers. Yes, within short time we can simply maintain the particular software and design the software by the developers is one of the good source, which means developer decided to complete the short code into short time, then big code into short time. So this is a big code sorry for this typing mistake. This is called big. Big is there. So short or big we can't consider, but anyway we can simply complete the one code into short time by using this framework is there. I am writing is there. Second merit is called providing a basic outline or margin for our coders to follow. So framework will be provide one kind of margin. So ఈ టైం లోపలనే కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, ఇంతవరకు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. Like that suggestion is taken by the framework, which means developer provide the boundary to specific code is there. Allow coders to focus on tasks more specific to their project. So which resource is possible to add? So which source is required to completion of this project? ఏ సోర్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఎలాంటి ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనకి ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఇస్తుందండి. సో ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్, allow coders to focus on tasks more specific to their project. Creating clean and adaptable code or program. So we should create a tunable coding and tunable answer to tunable result from this framework is there. Reducing cost and amount of time a developer spends on programming the application. So without take the multi people, one member is possible to design the code, and within short time lot of members are taking that distribution of the data, then maintain the one kind of coding is there. Everything is possible, but I'm writing here reducing the cost, which means, for example, one particular software will be taken by the one person is reasonable, 2% is reasonable, 3% reasonable, but multi people means what? You are simply giving the salary to the multiple experts, but there is a very cost is there. But by using this framework, you only prepare your own website, you only prepare your own software, everything is possible. I'm taking here reducing the cost by using this framework, and amount of time. You can reducing the time also, and you can simply spend a one particular programming the application. So you want to build up the one application, then coding is very easy to provided by this framework is there. So these are called as some benefits of the framework. I'm taking the one more is there, types of framework. One of the important question ma మీకు రేపు పొద్దున్న ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీకు రాబోతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ పుట్ ఎ మ్యాక్సిమం ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దిస్ టాపిక్, framework of a C. There are mainly 6 type of frameworks which are used to software development. As per my knowledge, my first choice goes to technology framework, database framework, testing framework, enterprise architecture framework, web app framework, and mobile app framework. Nowadays, the sixth one is a very popular. Why? Because lot of people, lot of developers are developed, a lot of apps are there. So when you turn your smartphone, lot of apps are available in the Play Store, Google Play Store. So whatever you want, automatically ready in that internet infrastructure. So for which app you want, everything is ready on the environment. But these apps are developed by the developers, programmers, by using this framework is there. So all developers follow the same process, but this process or procedure will be depend on this framework. Clear, no? So please, రేపొద్దున ఎగ్జామినేషన్ రాబోతుందండి. 18th నాడు మీ ఇంటర్న్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఆ ఇంటర్న్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మీకు థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ రాబోతుందండి 2 మార్క్స్లో. లిస్ట్ అవుట్ వేరియస్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్. Question number 3, list out various frameworks of SE or various types of framework. So you should write this 1 to 6 promptly. 1, technology. 2, database. 3, testing. 4, enterprise architecture. Number 5, web app. Number 6, mobile app. So these are called as various types of framework. Then I'm going to hear each category. I am writing simple information is there. There is no hurry, there is no difficult to take my information. Just you follow this information enough for the examination point of view. I am writing here technology. Why I am taking the first choice goes to your technology, but there is no technology, there is no software, there is no SE, software engineering. I am writing here this framework used to software developers for code generation through various required softwares. Code generation. If you want to write the one simply program or code, the generation will be taken by this technology. Second framework goes to database. Yes, just I told in the beginning of this class, there is no data, there is no meaning of the user, software, hardware. There is no hardware, there is no meaning of user, software, data. అంటే ఈ 4 కాంపోనెంట్స్లో ఏ ఒక్కటి లేదనుకోండి, మనకి మిగతా మూడిటికి మీనింగ్ ఉండదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ రాసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏం కావాలండి? మీరు ఉండాలి, అంటే యూజర్ కంపల్సరీ. మీకు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉండాలి, డేటా ఇస్ కంపల్సరీ. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టైప్ చేయడానికి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావాలి. ఓకే, ఆ టైప్ చేయాలంటే మనకి కీబోర్డ్ కావాలి, అంటే కీబోర్డ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హార్డ్వేర్, యువర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్, C software, and information is called program, and yourself is screen. There is no yourself, for example, practical examination. Any meaning is there? Nothing is possible. Okay, practical examination ki meer vacharandi, user is come to the attend the practical, but there is no program, no use. Okay, మీరు వచ్చారు, program రెడీగా ఉందండి, but there is no software. How it is possible to compilation? No. ఓకే, మీరు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు, ప్రోగ్రామ్ రెడీగా ఉంది, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ రెడీగా ఉంది. కానీ టైప్ చేయడానికి మీకు కీబోర్డ్ లేదనుకోండి, హార్డ్వేర్ లేదనుకోండి, దెన్ సో as per my knowledge, database is a very important factor to design the particular software, particular program. I'm writing here. This framework is used to design the various structured databases by the developers of an organization with commands. Just told DBMS is one software is taken by the famous companies called as Oracle. Oracle. So we need the information compulsory. Then testing framework. This framework used to developers to check whether defaults and drawbacks in the specific code. Filtration, examination, verification. The verification done by the testing is there. And testing the quality and clarity in a code. So what is the clarity? What is the quality? The testing is taken by the testing framework is there. So SE is the only responsible person to provide the filtration through this framework, testing framework. Now, enterprise architecture framework is one of the important framework. This framework used to design the abilities or requirements of an enterprises. Like a blueprint, we have to simply make one kind of blueprint. So this is my model, this is my structure, this is my input. Now this input will be converted as a result, output. How it is there? The basic input information will be designed by the one special framework is called as enterprise architecture framework. Then I'm going to last one is there, web app. So this framework used to design the website. Yes, web app is only using for to design the website. Yes, yourself is a developer, yourself is a programmer. It is possible to design the website is there. My own website. Yes, is possible. My college website. Yes, is possible. So when you have the good knowledge in the web app framework, you can create your website. Like correspondence websites possible, personal website is possible, and grouped website is possible. Everything is possible. Then last one goes to your mobile app. Very, very important framework is there. So nowadays is a very popular. You only possible to prepare, possible to construct, possible to design various mobile apps. This framework used to create a structure for developers to add on to create an application for mobile devices. Sir, I want to check my weather in the Sangareddy. Yes, temperature has one special app is there. Sir, I want to check out my what is called as for example, one app is there like a Phone Pay, Google Pay. Like you want to transfer the amount from one place to another. You want what is called hmm, you want to pay. You want to pay e-payments. You want to pay the electronic payments from yourself to your friend. Is called one kind of app is there. So PhonePe is one kind of platform to provide the information by using this application, web application, mobile application. Everything is there. WhatsApp to sharing the data from one person to another. So this is called as mobile device, such as smartphones also. Various mobile apps will be generated by the various softwares. So this is a small information, but compulsory question in the examination point of view. Please put a maximum focus on this topic. Compulsory possible to in this software engineering paper. I hope. So all of you got wonderful information from this topic, this class. Listen carefully and take a small lot of reviews up to you realize. After realize, please write this information in your notes. So from this topic, there are three questions. Number one, list out various types of framework. Clear, no? Number two, write this one. For example, what is the concept of the framework? What is the concept of the framework? So you should write here, the concept of framework is the frameworks are tools that help the developers build apps, websites, and digital systems. These are writing. This is your answer. What is the concept of the framework of SE? And done. For example, you should write this second paragraph. Is clear, no? There are two questions enough, ma. So please, I want to repeat once again here. First question goes to list out the various types of frameworks of SE. And second question is what is the concept of the framework of SE? So you should write like this is there, no? Listen carefully. There is no difficult words. All are simple words, simple language. You can simply understand my information. That like you simply follow enough for this information for examination point of view. So I think all of you received the valuable information from this class. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much.